Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Microsoft 365 Cloud Authentication. Start by identifying the specific authentication failure message you are encountering. Make sure to note any error codes or specific terms that appear in the message. Check your internet connection to ensure it is stable. Open your web browser and go to the Microsoft 365 login page. Try logging in with your credentials to see if the issue persists. If you can't log in, clear your browser cache and cookies. After clearing the cache, restart your browser and attempt to log in again. If the issue remains, try a different browser or an incognito/private window. Ensure your Microsoft 365 subscription is active and not expired. If you are using multi-factor authentication, verify that your second factor is set up properly. Consider updating your browser to the latest version to avoid compatibility issues. Next, check if there are any service outages on the Microsoft 365 Service Health dashboard. If you have access to another device, try logging in from it to rule out device. Disabling any VPN or proxy services temporarily may also help resolve the issue. If using a corporate network, consult your IT department to ensure there are no network restrictions in place. Restart your device to refresh the system, which may clear temporary glitches. If the problem continues, reset your password as a precaution. To do this, navigate to the Forgot Password link on the login page. Follow the prompts to reset your password via the email or phone number associated with your account. Once you've reset your password, try logging in again with the new credentials. If you're still facing issues, consider downloading the Microsoft Authenticator app for enhanced security. This app can provide a smoother authentication experience with codes generated on your phone. If all else fails, reach out to Microsoft support for personalized assistance. Document your attempts and any error messages when contacting support for a faster resolution. Following these steps systematically should help you troubleshoot and fix Microsoft 365 authentication failures. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.